Welcome to Homaxi. In this video, we'll be guiding you on how to use PTZ control. Stay with us. Homaxi PTZ supports multiple monitoring modes: patrol scan, linear scan, pattern scan, watch mode. First, let's set up patrol scan. Ideal for monitoring large areas like parking lots, malls, or campuses, the camera automatically scans key points, ensuring continuous coverage without manual effort. The first step is to set the preset point. Here, set 3 preset points as an example. Second, click the patrol icon to add preset points. Last, click the call button for Patrol 1, then the PTZ will switch views every 15 seconds to monitor images according to the instructions. Next, how to set up linear scan. Ideal for monitoring long, narrow areas like fences, roads, or perimeters, the camera moves along the set path to cover the entire line. Set the left limit. Adjust the camera's view to the desired monitoring position. Then click the linear icon, left limit, to set it. Follow the same steps to set the right limit. Click the call button. The PTZ will automatically perform back and forth linear scanning. Next, configure pattern scan. It records manual operations like zooming, panning, and tilting, allowing the camera to follow a set path automatically. This is ideal for construction sites, stadiums, or ports, where different zones require varied zoom and speed. Record the monitoring operation track. After clicking the Stop Record button, click the Call button. The PTZ will monitor the area according to the trajectory. Lastly, configure watch mode. This mode is ideal when the camera is temporarily controlled manually, but should return to monitor key areas like entrances, gates, or main passageways if inactive. First, go to Set, System Settings, PTZ, Watch. Second, enable watch. Select the watch time. and choose Patrol Scan as an example. Then click Save. Last, return to the preview to monitor the footage. That's all for today's tutorial. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel.